Hey guys, what's up? It's Marie from They Beautify, and I'm super excited to be here today again to host today's webinar on how to start an e-commerce brand without an inventory. As you know, starting a business can be very daunting, but don't worry because we are here to guide you through it. For those of you who are not familiar, They Beautify is a company that offers e-commerce solutions to businesses. We help businesses grow by providing them with powerful and customizable Shopify themes, tools, and apps. So, are you guys ready to get started? By the way, this webinar is webinar number 2 on our How to Launch an E-commerce Brand webinar series. So if you haven't watched the other webinars that we've seen, that we've created for you, don't worry, you can always come back. Just go to our website and see those other webinars. All right, you guys ready? Because I am super ready. Anyway, before we dive into the different ways on how to actually start your own e-commerce business without an inventory, let's just talk about why you should consider this option. So, starting an e-commerce brand without inventory has many advantages. First, it allows you to minimize your initial investment and reduce your risk. You don't have to worry about inventory management, warehousing, or shipping, which can save you a lot of time and money, and of course, the stress of figuring things out with this one. Moreover, with the advancements of technology, there are now many different options available for starting an e-com brand without an inventory, and we're going to talk about it later on. There are also a lot of misconceptions about e-com businesses. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to have a lot of money to start an e-com business. However, with the right tools and strategies, you can start a successful e-com business without breaking the bank. So let's explore some of the ways to start this business without an inventory. The first one is drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the most popular ways to start an e-com business without an inventory because in drop shipping, you don't need to hold anything. Instead, you partner with a supplier who stocks and ships the products directly to your consumers. This means that you don't have to worry about managing inventory or shipping products, and it's a great option for those who want to start a business with low startup costs. Print on demand or POD is another option for starting an e-com business without inventory. In POD, you design your own products and have them printed on demand by a supplier. This means that you don't have to hold any inventory too, and you only pay for the products that are sold. Another thing is affiliate marketing. It's another option for starting an e-com brand because in affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale that's made through your unique affiliate link. Apart from drop shipping, POD, and affiliate marketing, there are also other options that are against the beaten path, let's say, when you're starting an e-com business. And here we go. The first one is multi-level marketing. And with MLM or multi-level marketing, it involves recruiting other people to sell a product or service and earning a commission on their sales as well as your own. This business model is often controversial, and many people are skeptical about joining an MLM program. However, it can be a viable option for starting an e-com brand without inventory. But also make sure that you're let's say you guys are resilient and also very, you do your research before joining an MLM. So if you're considering joining an MLM program, it's essential that you do your research and make sure that it's a reputable company with a proven track record. Some MLM programs have a bad reputation, as we all know, because they operate like pyramid schemes, where the focus is more on recruiting people rather than selling products. So before joining an MLM program, make sure you understand the compensation plan, the products, and the requirements for success. MLM programs can require a significant investment of time and money, and they're not right for everyone. Another option could be fulfillment by Amazon or FBA. It's another option for starting an e-com business without an inventory, and FBA allows you to sell products on Amazon without having to handle storage, packing, and shipping yourself. And that's because Amazon takes care of everything for you, and you only need to send your products to an Amazon warehouse. FBA is a great option for established e-com businesses with middle to higher ticket prices. It's also suited for those who are great at marketing and sales. Because FBA can be a little complicated to set up, Amazon provides detailed instructions to actually help you get started too. And if you're interested in using FBA for your e-com business, make sure you understand the fees involved and the requirements for getting your products into Amazon's warehouses. And with the right strategy, FBA can be an effective way to grow your e-com business without worrying about inventory. Finally, let's talk about digital products. Digital products are products that can be downloaded or accessed online, such as ebooks, courses, softwares, apps, music. And selling digital products is a fantastic way to start an e-com business without inventory because you don't have to worry about shipping, storage, or anything that's physical. Creating digital products can be a bit more challenging than some of the other options we've discussed. But still, once you've created your product, you can sell it repeatedly without having to worry about inventory. And there are many different types of digital products you can create, from ebooks to courses to softwares and more. And if you're interested in selling digital products, make sure that you have the skills and expertise to create a product that people will want to buy. You'll also need to find a platform to sell your products on, such as Shopify or Gumroad. So selling digital products can be a lucrative business, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and dedication to succeed, obviously, because you need to market your products as well. So that's it for today's webinar and on how to start an e-commerce brand without an inventory. We covered a lot of ground, but I hope you guys found the information helpful and informative. Remember, guys, there are many different options for starting an e-com business without an inventory, like what we've discussed, like drop shipping, POD, affiliate marketing, FBA, and many more. But if you are interested in actually doing it yourself, we at Debutify, we offer many different resources to help you start and grow your e-com business. So this includes webinars already, tutorials, and even a 14-day free trial of our platform if you want to start your own business and own website by yourself. So if you're interested in learning more, visit our website and sign up for a free trial. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop it here on our website or feel free to contact us on our support channels. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you had a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time on our next webinar. Bye.